VMS incorporates a facial recognition algorithm and a facial search function which is capable of processing single or multiple camera archives. To search for a face, you have either to import a photograph or select a face on recorded video. VMS software then displays video episodes containing the person in question. Let's start with general face detection settings. Then, if necessary, we will set up additional detectors. Loitering. An object appearance in area. Select a face detection object. To record face tracking into the database, select Yes for the record object tracking parameter. Enter a value in the track loss time field to specify the time in milliseconds after which the face track is considered lost. This option applies when a person moves inside the field of view and then leaves it or steps out of view for some time. If necessary, select the frame compression value in the frame size change field. Set the minimum and maximum face dimensions as a percentage of field of view. Set the minimum threshold of face authenticity. The value ranges from 1 to 100. The higher the value is, the fewer faces are detected, while recognition accuracy increases. In the period of face search field, set the time interval, in milliseconds, between face searches in video frames. The higher the value, the lower the load on the server. In this case, the detector may miss some faces. If you need to save age and gender information for each recognized face, select Yes in the corresponding field. In some cases, the detection tool may falsely identify another object as a face. To filter out non-facial objects, select Yes in the Filter False Alarms field. If the filtering is on, false results will appear in the detection feed but will be ignored during searches in archive. In the preview pane, set the rectangular area to be processed by the facial detection tool. You can resize the area by moving its anchor points. You have now configured general parameters for facial recognition. Let's now configure the individual detectors that generate recognition alarm events. In both the maximum object speed and minimum object speed fields, enter each value as a percentage of the frame size per second. When configuring the loitering detection tool, you can also set the maximum time for an object to stay within the zone. If the current value exceeds it, the detection tool will be triggered. In the preview pane, specify a rectangular area in which facial detection should be performed. You have now configured face detectors. Select Show Tracking in the camera context menu to make the face capture visible. Face detection events are registered in the system log. These events can also be displayed on the events board. If you choose to recognize age and gender, select these in facial recognition settings. This information will be displayed on the panel and saved in the system log. If the viewing tile is linked to the event board through the linking cells, then single-click on the event will open the playback mode. Face search in an archive will be available by double-clicking on the event. If a user puts restrictions on viewing recognized faces, black square masks appears on screen. Click the Search button to enter face search mode. With face search, you can find video footage for the reference face image. Let's set the time span, then enter the value of minimal similarity in % of a selected face to any recognized face in video footage. The search results only display video episodes containing faces that exceed the specified similarity value. Clicking on a face in the camera window will select the face as a search parameter. We can also select a facial image to match against the video footage. We can also select how to sort search results. By similarity. By date. Time. To perform a friend or foe detection, click on the icon. The detection result depends on the number of days in which the person was captured on camera and recognized within the last month. The recognized face will be outlined in red, and the similarity percentage will be indicated below the image. To search a face in video footage from multiple cameras, select the necessary cameras on the camera search panel. Face search is now set up and ready to use.